Very warm welcome to our YouTube channel, and hope you all are well and doing well in your life. Today we are here with a spell that is very powerful, accurate and instant giving result. The things for required for this spell: some turmeric powder and some pieces of rice, plain paper, a marker. Nothing required expect of that for this spell. This is very powerful spell. This is spell to attract your lover instant. It should be anyone that you can do that. It will work for your ex, your partner, your girlfriend, your lover, or the person that you like the most. This is very accurate love spell. What you have to do to start this spell, to cast this spell, you have to make a heart, a small heart, like this, and you have to fill this heart like this. You have to make heart like this, and you have to write, you have to make a sign of plus for 4 times like this. What you have to do after that, you have to make another heart like this, like this. What you have to do, you have to refill it like this as you did it before. You have to fill it like this. The important part is starting of this video. Write your name here. For example, your name is Tim and her name is Lee. So you have to write both of your names, and this is very crucial part of this video. What you have to do, you have to write your name on the first place. Another place you have to write her name. It should be like this that I'm showing to you on this video. And then you have to make a love. You have to write love, 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 love. Don't up your pen. When the line ended, you can do that. Love, love, love. After that you can do this. Love, love. After that, what you have to do, you have to mix these pieces of rice into this bowl, into the turmeric powder, and mix it properly. What you have to do, you have to keep the paper in your hand like this, and you have to put all turmeric powder and rices, the piece of rice, into that, and you have to close your hand like this properly, and you have to say, I love Lee, I love Lee, I love Lee. You have to say this words for 51 times, and this will leave some waves to your lover, your ex, that you are missing him or missing her, and she will be ready to come back in your life, or you will got her call in couple of hours, and she will come back in your life for permanently. That's the guaranteed spell that it will give you result instant for sure. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can call us, you can comment in our comment box, and you can feel free to call us at any time. Thanks for watching our video. Thank you.